welcome to Schmom Life. Today I'm going to be opening up the welcome box from Amazon that you get once you complete your registry for them. So I don't know what's in it. I'm very excited to see. It was very simple to get the welcome box. You just complete the item that Amazon recommends. And they send you a box full of goodies. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it says, enjoy these complimentary samples. So you get samples. It says, want some of them, check out amazon.com/welcome box. So it comes with a bandana bib. Super cute bandana bib. If I can figure out how to open it. How cute. A bandana bib in the sheet pattern from Baby Vision. Cute. I've seen these in Target. Also, we get some samples from Pampers. I love Pampers. Pampers and Huggies. I love it. Oh, they come with a cute little pamper bag. That's really cute. It helps keep your diaper bag organized. And inside of it comes a 6-pack of wipes and a newborn diaper. Oh my gosh. My baby is not in newborn diapers anymore. So I'm feeling a little nostalgic about that even already. But that's one of the good things about the welcome box from Amazon. You can receive it before or after you have a baby. I started my registry before my son was born and did not complete all the items until early last week. But I'm still glad that Amazon sent them because these are definitely going to come in handy. Ooh, Huggies, natural wipes. We use these. These are in our diaper caddy right now. So I'm glad to have some more. We have some Mama Bear wipes. It's 2 diapers, size 1. Awesome. Can't wait to try these out because Poppy is in the size 1. It comes with Moon and Back organic cotton short sleeve bodysuit, 3 to 6 months. And he can fit 3 to 6 months stuff. So I'm excited to see how this fits him. Ooh, it's really soft too. Super cute. It's like a baby shower all over again. I had 2 baby showers. Now it's like a 3rd one. Let's see. We also got Giraffe plant-based detergent for baby clothes for washing. Giraffe laundry detergent, plant-based. I love this stuff. I have this in our laundry room right now. So I'm glad to have samples of that. We have also got Avent bottles. I hope I'm saying that right. Avent. And it's 1 bottle. It is a 4-ounce bottle. That's awesome. I'm exclusively breastfeeding from the breast, so we're not quite in bottles. We haven't introduced bottles just yet, but I'll be excited to try those out once we do. Huggies little snugglers. Size 1, 2 diapers. Love these because we're using Huggies diapers as well. Let's see. We've also got 7th generation, and inside of the 7th generation sample box, if I can find my scissors. We're underneath all these goodies. So every welcome box is a little different. You get different goodies from different companies, different brands. But every welcome box has what a baby needs and what, excuse me, what new parents need. So in this 7th generation box, we have Free and clear wipes, safe for babies' hands and face. Awesome. We also have moisture lotion. Nice little lotion pouch. Oh, and little diaper. Awesome. I can't wait to try these. I love that there are so many diaper alternatives now. Also, we have a swaddle. I love these blankets. These blankets are so excellent. You can use it as a swaddle, a playmat, or a sun shield. I love these because these are so lightweight. And it comes in a palm tree pattern, palm tree print, which I'm gonna take this as a sign because our family may be relocating to California pretty soon. So hopefully this is a sign that we are going to go to California. So I hope you enjoyed one of my first videos, which is going over the contents of my welcome box from Amazon. And you too can get a welcome box by logging on to Amazon, creating an account, a registry, and add about 100 items to your welcome box. But if you would like for me to walk through how to create a registry and how to receive your free welcome box from Amazon.com, just tell me in the comments below and I will do that. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and tell your friends. And thank you for tuning into Jaemommma Life.